The middle of the week is often where the initial fire of Monday fades and the heavy reality of the journey begins to weigh on your shoulders. It is the moment when your pace slows, your vision blurs, and your spiritual oxygen seems to run thin. If you are listening to this right now feeling drained or overwhelmed, know that you haven't failed. You are simply at the point where human effort must end and divine grace must take over. This is not just a pause, it is an encounter. We are not here to ask for a temporary fix for your tiredness. We are here to invoke the breath of life, the same breath that moved over the void at the dawn of creation and turned dust into a living soul. This is your midweek refresh. A sovereign moment where the atmosphere around you shifts from the heaviness of toil to the lightness of being. Close your eyes to the chaos of your schedule and open your spirit to the rhythm of the infinite. You were never designed to carry the weight of the entire week on your own strength. The fatigue you feel in your bones is a signal, a divine reminder that you are a branch, not the vine. Tonight, we release the pressure to perform, the pressure to achieve, and the pressure to hold everything together. As you breathe in, imagine you are inhaling the very essence of Paisa, peace that does not make sense to the world, but makes perfect sense to your soul. As you breathe out, release the carbon dioxide of anxiety, the toxins of not enough, and the soot of midweek burnout. You are being recalibrated. Your internal clock is being reset to the timing of grace. The Creator is breathing into the dry places of your ambition and the parched fields of your emotions. Every shallow breath of worry is now being replaced by a deep, lung-filling surge of divine vitality. You are being revived, not just to survive until Friday, but to flourish in the here and now. Listen to the stillness between your heartbeats. In that space, there is a reservoir of power that never runs dry. The world tells you to hurry, but the Spirit tells you to be still and know. To be still does not mean to stop moving. It means to move from a place of rest. Tonight, we command the fog of exhaustion to lift. We call for a second wind to enter your lungs. In long-distance running, the second wind is that mysterious surge of energy that arrives just when the athlete thinks they can't go a step further. This is your second wind. It is a supernatural infusion of strength that doesn't come from your muscles, but from your connection to the source. You are catching the wind of the Spirit, and it is going to carry you through the rest of this week with an ease that will baffle those around you. What was a struggle yesterday will become a flow tomorrow. What felt like a mountain will be revealed as a molehill beneath your feet. As this divine breath enters you, it acts as a celestial filter, removing the debris of the last 48 hours. Every harsh word spoken to you, every disappointment in the workplace, and every silent tear shed over your finances is being washed away. You are being cleansed by the wind. There is a restoration happening in your nervous system. The fight-or-flight response that has kept you on edge is being deactivated, and the rest and restore mandate is being turned on. Your mind, which has been racing like a runaway engine, is now slowing down to the speed of light steady, clear and purposeful. You are gaining a new perspective. From the heights of this midweek refresh, you can see that the obstacles you feared are merely stepping stones. You are not drowning in the current. You are the one who walks on the water because your eyes are fixed on the one who commands the storm. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Tonight, you are reconnecting to your spiritual soil, drawing up the nutrients of joy and the minerals of resilience. The breath of life is moving through the corridors of your imagination, clearing out the cobwebs of what if and replacing them with the certainty of He will. You are being fortified from the inside out. This is a deep tissue massage for your spirit. Every knot of tension in your soul is being unraveled by the gentle fingers of grace. You don't have to fight for this. You only have to receive it. Open your hands. Let go of the steering wheel and trust the navigator. The same power that sustains the stars in their orbits is currently sustaining the rhythm of your life. You are safe. You are held. You are being renewed in the hidden places of your being. This breath is also a breath of healing. Just as oxygen heals a wound, the breath of life is healing the invisible fractures in your confidence. It is mending the tears in your hope. If the beginning of this week felt like a series of losses, realize that you are being positioned for a spectacular finish. The middle is where the miracle is forged. You are in the crucible of Wednesday, but you are not being consumed. You are being purified. Feel the warmth of this divine fire in your chest. It is not the heat of stress. It is the glow of passion being reignited. You are remembering why you started. You are remembering the dream that the noise of Tuesday almost made you forget. The breath is bringing that dream back to life, pulsating with new color and new possibility. From this moment on, your walk will be different. You will go back into your world tomorrow, not as a weary traveler, but as an ambassador of the atmosphere you are experiencing right now. You are carrying the scent of the heights into the valleys of your daily routine. When you walk into a room, the atmosphere will shift because you are breathing a different air. You are no longer reacting to the environment. You are setting the climate. Peace is not something you are looking for. Peace is something you are bringing. This is the secret of the midweek refresh. It turns your exhaustion into an exhibition of divine strength. Your cup is being filled to the point of overflowing, and that overflow will bless everyone you encounter for the next 3 days. As you prepare to rest tonight, let this breath settle deep into your subconscious. Let it work while you sleep, repairing the wear and tear of the week. You are a human being, not a human doing. Your worth is tied to your breath, and your breath is a gift. The week is not over, but the struggle is. The pressure is off. The air is clear. The way is open. You are refreshed, renewed, and restored by the sovereign breath of life. Tonight, you sleep in the sanctuary of grace. Tomorrow, you rise in the power of the Spirit. Every cell is alive. Every thought is clear. You have received your second wind, and you are ready to soar. If you feel this new life surging through you, seal this midweek breakthrough. The descent into the weekend is no longer a slide into tiredness, but a glide into victory. You have been refreshed at the fountain that never runs dry. You are the embodiment of grace in motion. Feel this mandate in your heart. Share this breath with the world. Comment below, I receive my second wind, or my soul is refreshed. Let Nung Lie Ne be the final confirmation that the heaviness is gone and the life has returned. The grace prayer is with you. The Creator is in you. The breath is through you. Amen.